What's up, guys? It's Friday morning. I've got a few errands to run. We're going to go pick up some screens for some screen printing jobs we're going to do this weekend, so I'll take you along. And yeah, then we're going to come back home and print a lot of shirts. So I'll show you how I do that. And maybe we'll sneak in a dog park visit. Probably. Cool, so let's go. That's awesome. It's our first big store. We're on the bottom shelf. I guess that makes sense, you know. So buy some so we can move up. Okay, so there's the screens. There's two different types. There's a thinner mesh and a thicker mesh. One is gives you the ability to hold more detail in your prints. I'll show you when we get back to the house. Well, let's go to the dog park, huh? You stay. Good boy. Okay guys, so we're back from the drive and we got our screen. So I just wanted to show you the difference between the two screens that I got because they have a different effect. So this is your standard one mesh screen. It's on a metal frame and it's really, really tight, which is what you need. Basically 110 means there's 110 threads per square inch, okay? So this is your standard one and it lets the normal amount of ink through transfer through to your garment. Okay, so this is what you use for normal logos, like stuff like this. Okay, then I also got this one. This is a 200, so that just means less ink can transfer through per pass, which means it can hold finer detail. So I've got a like a big 8-color job where we're actually printing an entire image of the Hollywood Hills over 8 colors. So to do that and to pick up every little detail like a grain of sand, we're going to use 200. So I might even have to go higher, but I'm going to try with this first. So I'm going to go coat these and let them dry, and I'm going to get to printing tonight. All right, so I'm finally back at the shop. I went to the gym, feel good. It's like 9 o'clock at night, and I'm going to try and bang out some shirts. I've got like probably 20 to do, most of them for the store, and then I've got a few others, so let's see how many I can get done. fucked up one shirt. There's a little thing. Right at the bottom there, can you see that? Okay, well, I get pretty discouraged when I screw up an easy shirt. So that's gonna wrap it up for me today, and I'm just gonna start again tomorrow when I'm fresh. It's like 11 o'clock at night anyway. I've been at this all day. I'm gonna do some, I don't know, some SEO work. Try and get my site to rank higher on Google, which is the key to everything. So I'll do that, and yeah, that'll be the end of this. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, eh? Watching me print. It's not the coolest thing in the world, but yeah. Alright, peace out. Kitty. Hey. Good time. That's Kitty in my gym bag. And that's Pickle. What are you guys doing? Everybody's all lazy. What is this? Pop up. Wanna go outside? Okay. Everybody's tired.